Lesson 5-9 is looking at bar and circle graphs. Our objective today is to review the properties and construction of bar graphs and to discuss the properties of circle graphs. So on page 150 in your math journal, you'll see an example of each, and you'll need to compare and contrast bar graphs and circle graphs. We're going to take a look at some data that you will use on the next page of your math journal to create your own bar graph. So we took a survey, and these were the results. So you'll need to fill these in your math journal, and then you'll need to find the total votes. You're going to use this grid below to make a bar graph using that information. And so if you need to, this bar graph is a really great reference for you because this bar graph has a title, it has each axis labeled, and we've got a scale here so that we can see how many of each we're using. So if you take a look at this page, you'll need to label the different snacks that you're talking about down below. And then along this axis, you'll need to label what it is we're talking about. We're talking about the votes, right? And so you'll need to decide your scale. Will you count by ones or twos or fives or tens? Okay, our biggest number here is 10, so you could probably count by ones for this one. And then think about what it is we're talking about and give a title for that bar graph.